What your name? Lullaby, alright. Excited. Like, I'm so excited, guys. Did you see my... It is Sunday, December 28th, and I'm about to get ready to go to Soul Sunday in Portmore. So I've been seeing a lot of people talking about it, say it has a good vibes and all. So tonight we're going out to have a little drinks and listen to some good music with a few friends. Tonight is winter Sunday, so I guess it's all white Sunday. It's now 7:12 and of course my plan was to leave for 8 o'clock. Let's see if I can make it. It is now 7:12. Y'all seen that? 7:30 now. This is my outfit. I'm wearing this white ruffle dress and my new red bridgets. And my bridgets. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well, still in love, so in love, still in love. Where's my girlfriend now? Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well, still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Time to go bathing it ready. Say that you're gonna be. One glass on my earring and then out the door.
Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be.
Chat, so after detour to the lot, so we are at I Love Souls at the lot, Constant Spring. The traffic was crazy in Portmore. It's a girl in our whites. Feeling a little bit out of place, but at least everybody I got dressed up for going there. Oh no, me I don't need to work. Yeah, go on internet, you know. Alright. What your name? Lullaby. Alright. 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 So me I go on my yard right now. We have work tomorrow. So we have to be responsible. But it was a good vibes at I Love Souls at 33 Constant Spring Road. Yeah. Good vibes. Alright guys, so I am home. It is now 12:52. It's now 12:53. Just got home. I Love Souls is really like, it doesn't matter. Like, if you want to have like a really romantic night with your man or your woman, go I Love Souls if you're in Kingston. If you're in Portmore, you can go Soul to Soul Sundays, right? I Love Soul Sundays and Soul to Soul Sundays in Portmore, and I Love Souls in Kingston. I had a good time. The DJ was really good. Now I understand why Carrie always I go back. Because I remember watching her vlogs and she's like, I'm going to I Love Soul Sunday, guys. You know, it's a Sunday and we're going to, you know, where I Love Soul is gonna be my place. Tomorrow, holiday, and I need water, so I'm getting a bottle, refill a bottle now, and we're coming back to cook. Okay, we're going to do some jerk chicken and roast fish for the New Year's Eve and head out by the waterfront by 9 o'clock tonight, hopefully earlier, trying to get them to get ready for early and we can get a nice good spot to watch the fireworks. So guys, guess what, today December 31st we hit 1K. Big shout out to everybody who have subscribed to the channel, who have been watching the channel. We are one milestone down. The next milestone is to get our watch hours up, and guys, I need your help again with that. Guys, play my playlist, any one of my playlists, just run them when you have time. You don't have to sit and watch it, but just run them in the background. You know, you're cooking, whatever it is that you're doing, just run some playlists, run some videos that you watch. Even if you watch them already, just give your girl some hours. I appreciate it. It will count to my watch hour because that's our next goal for 2026. We want to get monetized. And I'm hoping that we can get monetized by June, so I'm giving myself 6 months. Let's see. Am I too ambitious? We don't know, but yeah, I'm giving myself 6 months to get monetized. So we have a lot of work cut out, but I'm so excited. Like, I'm so excited, guys. If you see my vision board video that I did for this 2025, you would see that I've accomplished quite a few things from off that vision board. Yeah, we have. It's just there are some other little things that I need to, you know, tighten up, use different strategies and stuff just to, you know, be successful. But we'll definitely talk about that in another video. Like, the traffic is crazy. Where's everybody going? Like, y'all don't buy enough? Said the woman who's going to the supermarket. Look at the traffic. I thought it would have been an easy run. It is now 2:32, 23 I'm talking about. And guys, I'm using my DJI. There are some settings that I haven't figured out yet in terms of the color grading aspect of it. So some of my videos you may see it looks a little washed out. Yeah, I don't know how to really use it just yet, but I'm playing around. Yeah, I'm trying to learn it. Part of my challenge that I'm having with the DJI, and I'm not sure if anybody else out there who has it, is getting off the content. It is slow. I've seen videos where the persons were saying it's best to use a card reader. So I have a card reader in my Amazon gift, in my Amazon cart. So I want to get one just to test it out, because the export from off the DJI to my iPad, or from the DJI Memo app to my iPad, it does take some time. I just got back from the supermarket, so I'm taking out some stuff that I got. So I got the callaloo. The callaloo is for the roast fish, so I'm going to stuff the roast fish with some callaloo. They didn't have the cut one. They didn't have the cut one, so I got this. Butter, ramen, sweet pepper, 2 sweet potatoes. I'm going to roast them. Fish, 2 more fish just to add to what I have. So we're going to roast some fish. So I got rolls, dinner rolls, more ramen, chicken ramen. I got gum. I got some crackers for the roast fish. Towels, Arizona. I got the festival here. I got some foil papers. I got red stripe beer. Have you tried red stripe beer, Lunda? This is one of the world's best beers. Well, it used to be. So the beer is for the jerk chicken. Yeah, beer is for the. We got some syrup, apple juice, some counter flour. I got dishwashing liquid because I'm out of dishwashing liquid. I don't drink. Oh, you don't drink. 2 bars. I'm going to thaw out these and then. Already line up and it's now 10:50. So why we can't double park? So we can't. Oh, no, another car. Oh, over this one. We're parking over there. Oh, you get over this one. This is the car setup. Right, 11 o'clock already. 11:50. Just play Uno, guys, and they're beating my butt.
It can't work, you know what?
Guys, it's 3 minutes to 12 o'clock. 2 minutes to 12 o'clock. Happy New Year, everybody! All the best of 2026! Yay!